Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands.
Hello friends, very good morning and happy Friendship Day to all of you. I hope all of you are doing good, and today's morning I will start an interesting vlog with the special people. I'll just show you guys right now. And once again, a very happy Friendship Day to one and all present here, whoever are watching it. A very happy Friendship Day. So let me start. So see guys, they are also equally interested meeting you. See, they are all in excited mode. So these are the breed of what's their name called as Budgie, or can be called as parakeet, as they look similar to parrots, and they have a long tail. Guys, you can see this. Once I'll zoom the camera and show you. They have a long tail and also called as Budgie, but they are in different colors here available. White, green, blue and yellow, and I have named them Tinky, Pinky, Chinky. This is how I name them. So I'll just show you for like if you are planning to get these pets or in your home. So just a guidance, small guidance. So all you need for them is maintenance is easy. See, once you love somebody, maintenance is definitely goes easy. So actually this maintenance is done by my bro. So I'll be asking him. Let me see how much he helps me with that. So bro, tell me what all maintenance do you do?
कुछ नहीं, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. इजीली उसको मेडिसिन देना पड़ता है हफ्ते में.
Guys, so see guys, this is a medicine named as
Bird
Bird Care. So it is like full of.
ये कोई भी बर्ड को यूज कर सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Okay, it can be used for any birds it seems. So it's a bird care, like it is filled with vitamins and minerals for the birds. So like weekly, like alternate days, he has to mix it water, na? How many drops?
3 drops only.
3 drops only has to be mixed.
Weekly 3 times only.
Means for these people, see they are all in excited zone. In the water, he has to mix it in alternate days. So like 3 drops in the water, and that will be like vitamins supplement for them. So then comes, this is the container, the pet. So it is highly available in the pet shops. So you will find it, not a big deal. So and how much does it cost? भैया इसका कॉस्टिंग कितना होता है?
पर केजी 100 रुपीस.
So it's like
90 rupees, 80 rupees.
So it depends, 80 to 90.
Depend on the qualities.
Okay, depends. There is also quality.
Yeah.
It's 80, 90, 100 rupees per kg. So it is highly available in pet shops. And next, if at all there is a condition in like when the food is not available, so all you can do is in terms of that you can use broken rice. And you can use carrot, finely chopped carrots, and then capsicum. I have seen using all these things. So carrot can be used finely chopped, and capsicum, broken rice. They will nicely enjoy it. So you don't have to worry. If at all you don't find the pet food, you can use that. So they will be also happy. So guys, so meet my beautiful friends. See, they are all in excited mode. So guys, I'll take you to meet my next breed of birds. So come guys, we meet them also. So fine. So meet my next breed of people. So they are here. So they are named as finches, and they are they are available like white, light brown, dark brown. They are all available. See, they are all fighting. I don't know why. And one is named as house finch. See the dark brown color here. The dark brown color, they are named as house finch, and the light brown color is known as European finch. So they are all the finches. So that's how. So same maintenance goes, guys, for them also. The same pet food and normal water day to day you have to give them, and food once in the morning, early morning once they wakes up, and once in the evening. So same, guys, here also, if at all pet food is not available, you can try for them also. All the birds are same. That's all is required. That's all. So this is what is the most important thing, bird care. You have to give them so that they are all healthy, fit and fine. So that's all. Pet food and this and water. That is all for maintenance, and cleaning obviously you have to do it. So that's how. I hope you have liked it. See, guys, how they are fighting. Literally they are, I don't know, they are fighting or making friends. I cannot justify the statement. Maybe they are happy. So anyways, so actually they will be hanging in 2 different zones, because from morning they will make so much of noise. So they will be separated, but today to show you guys I have made them one. So they are all in the same place. So that's how. I hope you have liked the video, guys. So you have to like my video, subscribe my channel, so that I can come up with more videos like that. Bye, guys. Stay happy, stay smiling, be blessed. Bye.